In this video, I want to talk about one of the most powerful features of PublicEye, multi-jurisdictional support. In public safety, there are a number of standardization efforts moving towards better information sharing and interoperability. Who knows how long it will take for this standard to emerge? We have good news. With PublicEye, you can have multi-jurisdictional support today. What is multi-jurisdictional support? Well, let's let our customers explain.
I'm Mark Boynton, Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director for the town of Amherst, New Hampshire. We're one of the first adopters of the PublicEye and have been using it for quite some time now. I'm thrilled that PublicEye now supports multi-jurisdiction.
I'm Scott Wiggin, Chief of the Bedford, New Hampshire Fire Department. We share a border with Amherst and often work together for mutual aid. We are also using PublicEye in our trucks and on our smartphones. Chief Boynton has set up his PublicEye so that we can also see the incidents and objects in Amherst.
There are several cases where Bedford Fire is dispatched to fires in Amherst. A reported building fire on the Bedford side of town will trigger an automatic response from Bedford. Another reason is that we need additional assistance, either because of the magnitude of the fire or because our engines are already in use elsewhere.
If there is a call for service in Amherst, or for that matter, any other neighboring town with PublicEye, we can see the location and details of the call almost immediately after it's entered into their CAD. Our engine can move out supported by turn-by-turn directions after just one touch on the 911 call object on the map. Before we get there, we can even see photos and videos of the fire tweeted by the residents and neighbors. By the way, we are planning to educate our community of the value of tweeting messages and photos of fires as they occur. When we get to the fire again, with one touch, we see Amherst's building pre-plans and the locations of nearby hazards and fire hydrants. I cannot overemphasize the value of having another jurisdiction's information in the hands of our first responders.
In a fire, time is of the essence. Minutes or seconds can be the difference between life and death. If our friends from Bedford can get there quicker and be immediately productive, it's of tremendous value to our community. For them to be fully effective, access to pre-plans, hazards, and fire hydrants is critical. With multi-jurisdictional support in PublicEye, they have the access they need. Another important feature of PublicEye is its real-time incident dashboard. It keeps me and the neighboring incident commanders abreast of the locations of my apparatus and emergency vehicles as well as those coming from neighboring towns. PublicEye allows everyone to be on the same page. I teach incident command for the fire service. I can say PublicEye is the absolute state-of-the-art technology for public safety, quickly providing visual information needed to make critical decisions in a timely fashion. Information such as the quickest route to the incident, best access, building hazards, closest water supply, and what apparatus will arrive first.
We're looking forward to more and more towns adopting PublicEye so that we can see operations on a regional level.
Setting up multi-jurisdiction between municipalities only takes a few clicks and minutes. The owner of the data controls what other jurisdictions can see. It doesn't matter what CAD RMS system each jurisdiction uses, and multi-jurisdictional support in PublicEye is not limited to municipalities. The architecture allows state and federal agencies to share information from many departments and jurisdictions. For more information, visit publiceyes.com or give us a call at 603-881-9191.